Hello guys, welcome to the 41st session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In the last session, we set up the environment for Vision API and retrieve description and faces. In this session, we will retrieve tags, text and other details. Let us start with tags. Copy this method, change name. Instead of faces, we require tags. Create string builder that will hold all tags. Loop through each tag. Obtain tag name and confidence. Confidence represents a priority for that tag. Its value can be between 0 to 1. And at the end, return it as a string. Let us update our dialog. Add constant for tags for image. Add it to the list of Chrome dialog. And copy this case. Update name of case and variable. Call to a method to retrieve tags. Save all the files and publish it. Create a new conversation. Choose tags. Select this image of pizza. Here we got pizza, food, slice, plate, dish, sliced toppings. Let us select this flower. We got to plant, daisy, flower, colored. Now I am going to retrieve some details from images such as its dominant color, category and check image contains adult contents or not. Let us copy this method and change name. Here we need to retrieve adult, category, color, image type. From color, retrieve dominant background color, dominant foreground color. And check whether it is a black and white image or not. Line drawing type property contains a numeric value. If 0 means it's not a line, 1 means it is a line. And print its value. Using isAdultContent, check for adult content. We can also obtain RASI score. Let us create a list of strings that will hold category names. Loop through each category and add it to list. Display all these values with comma separated. And return it as a string. And let us add a line break for proper display. Let us update dialog. Save all files and publish it. and start a new conversation. Upload this image of a flower. Here we got dominant background color is black, foreground color is white, and it is not black and white, and it is not line drawing and adult content. Its category is plant flower. Let us select the drawing. This photo is black and white and it's line drawing. The category is abstract none photo. Now I am going to create OCR to retrieve text from image. For OCR I am using Vision Service Client instead of Computer Vision API. As this API is still in preview, there is no model classes exist to retrieve text, but may be available when you are watching this video. Let us copy method signature of this method and rename it. For Computer Vision API, we need to pass endpoint address. Create a client, pass key and endpoint URL. By using recognize text async, we can retrieve OCR result. Here we need to pass image URL. Let us create string builder that will hold all the messages. Regions contain all the regions which contains text. Each region has multiple lines. Loop through each line within first region. Loop through each word in the line. And append it to string builder. Word also contains boundary box that represents the location of the word. At the end, append line break and return it as a string. Let us update dialog for this too. Save all files, publish it. Start a new conversation. Let us select this quote. We got proper text, expect the word couldn't. And now select this quote. We got perfect text for this. Let us see what we have learned in this session. To retrieve tags, we need to pass tags in required features and loop through each tag that we got. The tag contains tag name and confidence. Here we use adult, category, color and image type features. To perform OCR, here I have used Vision Service Client and loop through each line and word. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.